Here we have an Edison box fan. I'd say about mid to late 70s, possibly early 70s, I'm not sure, because it still has the metal guard on it. Had this one for a few years. It's still one of our active shop fans. The only problem with this one is it's missing the little feet that go out the back. This is when they were starting to shorten them up a little bit, the depth, and when you turn them on they want to blow over. So usually we have to have it leaning on something to keep it from turning over. I thought this was a 3-speed, but I guess it's only a 2-speed. I have to keep a hold of it, because otherwise it will blow over if I don't. It will run on a lower speed and stay standing, but you turn it up on high, it will turn over. There you go, the Edison box fan. Thanks for watching.